Okay, so in this video, we're going to work through the ALEKS objective calculating mass concentration. So it says here, a chemist prepares a solution of calcium bromide by weighing out 29.7 grams of calcium bromide into a 50 ml volumetric flask and filling to the mark with water. Calculate the concentration in grams per liter of the chemist's calcium bromide solution and round your answer to two significant figures. So we want grams per liter. So we have grams. We just need to convert our 50 milliliters to liters. So it's 50 and very deliberately with a dot on the end there. So that means that is two significant figures. Milliliters times, we get 10 to the minus 3 liters for every 1 milliliter. So that means that we have 0.050 liters. So that's what we're going to make this solution up to that amount. So we're going to put it into a flask and then we're going to fill it up to the 50 milliliter line. So we've got our liters, and as I mentioned, we already had our grams. So now we're just going to do 29.7 grams divide 0.050 liters, and that'll give us our answer. Now, the thing to keep in mind is that once we've got this, we have to make sure that we adjust it to two significant figures. So this ends up being 594 grams for every 1 liter. So this is what we've got to decide at this point is where do we cut this off? So we want to cut it off there. So the options that we're going to have is it's either going to be 590 grams per liter, or it'll be 600 grams per liter, because we can either leave that number alone or raise it by 1. Now 4 is less than 5, so we're going to leave it alone and our answer will be 590. Now this has two significant figures, right? Because trailing zeros only count if there's a decimal point at the end, and this number doesn't have a decimal point at the end, so only the two non-zero numbers, the 5 and the 9, count. So there's your answer there. Okay, hope you found that helpful.